Hi, I'm Jamie, and this is my big brother Eric, and we're the Perkins Builder Brothers.
Let's get going with our LP SmartSide Mini-Split installation. They're very good for remodeling or re-siding.
After you've located the penetration, measure the diameter of the hole that needs to be drilled or the square that needs to be cut out. Drill a hole slightly oversized from the size of the penetration. Then separate the block by removing the two pocket screws from the back. That allows you to touch-up paint any bare wood surface that you've now made by drilling or notching the block. That's very important to seal those edges. Then you can take your block and hold it against the wall where you want to install it. If it's possible to reach behind and reinstall the pocket screws, please do that. Otherwise, simply slide the two pieces together, place them against the wall, level it, and nail all four corners using 4 nails. Thanks for watching this installation video. We hope that it was helpful.
And if you want to learn more about any of LP SmartSide's products or the installation of those products, go to lpskillbuilder.com. You can find lots more information there.